There are a lot of gurus out there that will tell you if you're interested in buying a real estate property or rental property, you should own it in a self-directed IRA because you don't get taxed in a self-directed IRA. Is this a good idea? Well, the answer is, for most people, no, not really. There are a lot of great tools out there that allow you to invest in real estate directly via a IRA, such as a company called like Alto IRA, allows you to have self-directed IRAs where you can invest in real estate through things like Fundrise or more real estate syndicates. That can be not a bad idea, but owning a rental property yourself and doing all the management, etc., for that rental property, there's a lot of rules around self-directed IRAs and what you can and can't do, and a lot of them get you people into trouble if you're doing that, owning the rental property directly in a self-directed IRA, just because you can't get any beneficial ownership out of it, like tax benefits, any of these different things, if you are the owner. So there's a lot of weird rules with self-directed IRAs when it comes to rental properties, and you can inadvertently get yourself into trouble really easily. So I just recommend don't doing it, because most people aren't going to read enough tax codes to really understand how to do it. If you're interested in doing this, make sure you definitely consult a professional and know what you can and can't do before you ever invest in real estate and buy it in that self-directed IRA.